Hello, good family. Hello, guys. Hello, good friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you are watching this video from. Uh, I go by the name Frank001. Uh, Kindly go check my YouTube channels, subscribe, share, comment, and also encourage other people to come and watch my video to the fullest, where you will have to get all the information about my village, where I come from. I come from one of the famous village known as Nyabuhansi village, but uh, within one of the very silent and very coolest and very admirable village within Nyabuhansi village. Uh, I will wish to say thank you to the Almighty God, because without Him, uh, we could never be there. We could never have the life of today, enjoying and seeing the day, a beautiful day like today. So, my good people, today I cherish for that. So here I'm in my village. I'm just filming from uh, our own compound, from my compound, my home village, whereby I have decided to begin this video from here, so that uh, you can have a view, you can see how the nature of our village, how this village is very fantastic, very silent, a place where we encourage, we wish people, we invite people to come and have a look. This is a village that we do not uh, we do not have. So guys, this is the nature of my village. You can just observe how evergreen the village is. The village is so much admirable. Guys, just watch. This is where I come from. This is a village where people are busy. People are busy doing their work. So there is, you can hear how the environment is very silent, how the environment is very cool. So when I say that I'm from a village that is very cool, very silent, and admirable to every person, I'm not saying, I'm not saying that it's false. This is what our environment look like. This is the nature of our environment, and I wish to invite people to come and see on their own the nice environment of our place. And this is very fantastic, very good, very nice. God did wonders, and He had to. We were blessed, actually. Here we go, guys. You can see the entire environment. You can see we have a flattened type of stone, a stone that you can do whatever, anything that you like to do from this stone. You can just come and relax. You can just come and air your grains on this stone. You can do anything. And the most important thing, this type of environment, it has a very beautiful cave, that you can come and house yourself for some days. for some days, enjoying the entire environment, enjoying the entire village without being disturbed by anybody. See guys, here is the cave. This is the cave that is very much open. The air, we have the clean air coming inside. It's very spacious, you can see. Here I'm just sitting at the entrance, the main entrance of the cave, into the cave. Guys, I'm inside the cave. You can just have a sleep. You can see, you can put your mattress or anything here. You sleep. Nobody will come. Nobody will bother you because this place is very secure. Let me view. Let me zoom this. Let me show you a view from outside. This is from outside, my friends. From outside. I'm just sitting at the entrance. So guys, when I talk about the good environment, it doesn't mean that I'm just faking it. This is the environment. You can see from the far. People, my neighbors, people are living in this place. So many people. You can see the homesteads from the further end. From the other end, you can see the homestead. People are really enjoying this life in the middle of the hills. We have very fantastic hills here. You can see. So this is the nature. This is the nature of our village. The nature of our village. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let us meet in our next video that I will wish to show you some important and historic events from our village. Thank you all.